Hi, if you are new in using fonts for designing, this lesson will be of real help. I am going to discuss 8 golden rules plus 2 more for font selection that are easy to understand and implement. Before proceeding, let us understand the essential difference between serif and sans serif fonts. Take a look at this picture. As it says, serif is a small decorative flourish at the end of the strokes that makes up letters. Sans means without. So, sans serif fonts are those that do not have any flourish at the end of the strokes. There are great fonts in both serif and sans serif, and we are going to see how to combine them for designing. Here are the 10 rules or commandments for typography. Let me begin from rule 1, which says you have to know your font families. In the samples shown, there are different design patterns in both serif and sans serif. When you know the font family, you will not fall in the trap of mixing up two completely different designs. The second and the third rules are really noteworthy. For a good design, you should combine a sans serif font with a serif font, or vice versa. But it is not cool to combine two similar fonts, as per the rule 4. This concept is pretty basic, but as beginners, we often overlook its importance. Okay, to the next set of rules. Rule 5 is again very basic. The color of the font and the background should be such that the texts clearly stand out, making it easy to viewers to quickly grasp them. Rules 6, 7 and 8 are reminders for not going overboard while designing. Avoid using more than 2 fonts at one place. Go for the third font only if it is a must. Now look at rules 7 and 8. They caution you against using fonts that clearly do not match with each other. What is cool about this table is that it actually gives example of true font faces to drive the point home. For beginners, it is not only easy to understand the points, but also get a handy list of a wide variety of fonts and how they look like in different combinations. I like the rule 9. It somewhat goes against the rules 2, 3 and 4, and yet it is a golden rule. What is the difference? Well, you can use 2 fonts in the same family provided they have different weights. This Minion and Garamond are from the same family, but Minion is bold and has greater size than Garamond. The last rule is a kind of an appeal. It advises not to use some fonts that do not apparently make a good design. I have to say though that I have used both Comic Sans and Papyrus in specific situations while making animated text videos. Okay, so there you are. I do hope this lesson helps you in typography designs. Many thanks to this website Designmantix for making this table for the help of beginners. Thanks for watching this video.